done preparing and pack my stuff. We're going to Siquijor. That's where I'm gonna spend my Holy Week. I just stopped here and I got my motorcycle clean because it's super dirty. The motorcycle car wash, it costs 100. Gasoline station, and I need to hold up the motorcycle before we are going to Siquijor. Lechon paksiw. Ito pila ni 50. Oh, pila sa din. So now we are finished eating our dinner and we have to proceed our ride. Saan ako ka? The 7-Eleven in Oslo. I'm gonna buy some drip coffee. Luwa na dong pan. So I buy a calamansi and a muffin. My favorite there. So finally we are here at the Liloan port and we are going to buy a ticket. So the motorcycle fee, it goes 1,100 plus 85 the CPA. port. Oh. Puno jud kuya sa. Good morning. So we just arrived here like 3 a.m. midnight, and this is where Ate Jen and Kuya Lance live in Siquijor. It's more in province. So they have this plant like dragon fruit and what you call that, the lemongrass. They have lemongrass. They have a lot of plants, and this is their home. They're very nice, and this is the view. It's very peaceful. So the problem here is it's barely have a signal. I'm going to eat my breakfast, and after that then we can decide where we are going, so I can make more video around here.